So my name's David Lynch from Canberra, ACT. It's a 93 K100E, N14 with an 18 speed, 3.9 gears in the back, and it's on airbag, 46,000 pound diffs. Ex-Ray Singleton's out of Adelaide, running Adelaide, Perth on doubles, road trains, back in 93. Yeah, so we bought it at the Wreckers, out of Morwell, and then we've restored it to how it is today. I've been in the waste game for 28 years, running around Canberra, and then we decided to get a caravan, which we've been unsure of, and then we didn't know what we were going to use to tow it, so we decided on the Kenworth. I'd always been in the old trucks, families in the trucks, and my dad restores trucks and that sort of thing as well, so I thought we'd try this. Inverter, solar power, water, got 1,000 litres of water in there. We can go off grid if we need to, if we decide to camp in the bush for a week or two, so near the beach, so yeah. So we've done a few Ks this year already, done a few trips to Brisbane, Gold Coast, did Parks, Elvis Festival, yeah, so that's what it's just used for towing the van, that's all it's used for. Doing 1,450 revs at 100 Ks, so it just ticks along nicely. We're towing the van, and I think it weighs about, probably about 14 tonne all up with our box on the back and the van towing that, so yeah, nice. We put the tow bar on the back to tow the van with an airbag in it, so it makes the van ride softer, otherwise it'll shake the front of the van out. It's got twin air seats in it for my wife. Yeah, no, we just done bits and pieces to it, yeah. Just to tidy it up. We didn't want to lose the original paint, that's the original paint from 93. Yeah, I've done a few things to it, we've got a few more things to do yet, but yeah. Pretty good on fuel. We didn't want to go and spend a lot of money on a big Land Cruiser. We wanted something a bit different, so yeah, that's what we decided.